Dr. Hartmann is not here. This is strange. Maybe Dr. Hartmann is with Ulla in her room.
A man in a wheelchair couldn't go to the second floor, could he?
Ja, klar. You are right.
Anna, could you check Dr. Hartmann's belongings? Maybe you will find something interesting.
I'm on the case. Great! I found a syringe.
Mein Gott! Upstairs! Quickly! Ulla is dead!
This cannot be happening. There is no pulse.
Is she dead?
Oh my god.
Are you sure there is no pulse?
Oh my god. What is going on here?
Calm down. We need a doctor. Have you found Dr. Hartmann?
No.
We need to know what happened here.
It looks like another heart attack. A heart attack? Again? This seems suspicious to me. I want to check this room. Oh my god.
Anna, can you check Ulla's room?
Anna, I think you should talk to Otto.
Anna, can you check Ulla's room? Anna, can you check Ulla's room?
This lighter is still hot, as if it was used minutes ago.
Do you think someone might have been here?
Everything is possible, Otto. We need to find Dr. Hartmann.
I will try.